sure everyone here is in for something special today. And our welcome guests.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to a, well, yeah, rainy Labor Day weekend here in Pennsylvania. I guess, I shouldn't be too picky because yesterday when I was out at the Flight 93 Memorial, the day couldn't have been better. It was about 72, almost no clouds in the sky, perfect day. And then rain, so that's okay. But today I'm heading out to meet up with a buddy of mine, Nick from Nixcrossing. He invited me out to the Strasburg Railroad. Now, I have not been to Strasburg, I think, since my kid was about 2 years old, and she's a senior this year, so it's been a while. But at any rate, I figure 3-day weekend, I want to get out as much as I can. Melanie works in the morning, so I figure I don't really have anything else to do, so why not go make some videos? All right, guys, just as suspected, I had to switch to the Osmo because we are getting a fair amount of rain. Came down to this little parking area here, as you can see, right by the railroad. Hopefully the audio won't be too bad with this being completely handheld, no microphone, because I have to have all the covers on the Osmo in order to keep it waterproof. But there was one Amtrak that went by already, and I think we're supposed to catch some others. And like I said, I'm meeting Nick and Nikki, who are right down there. So we did Nick and Nikki. And yeah, never been down to this little spot before. We're right off of Route 30, and I've been through this area many times before. We're actually past that big, if you've ever been to Lancaster and like where all the outlet stores are, that's kind of, we're a little bit past that. We're past like that big steamboat hotel that's right on the corner, Route 30 and 896. So, yep, here we go. Hauling butt. Now, how fast is he going?
Almost 100.
Almost 100?
Just 100. I was told that part over there used to be a hotel and a horse stable for the railroad, because this is the oldest operating railroad in the world.
Is it really?
Or continuously operating. 1832. Okay. So they had like a horse cart railroad. So it's only about 3 miles. But I was told years ago that across the street or across the tracks it was a hotel. Then Lincoln's funeral train would have passed through here as well.
Gotcha.
So when it came up through York, it would have got on this line to go, I guess, east or westerly.
Yeah.
So that all that, and then behind us, this would have been more tracks in here, and then the building we passed up there used to be a dairy.
Gotcha. Okay.
So this is a steam crane. So there's a piston right there for whatever they would need. You'd actually have there's a boiler in there, just like a steam engine.
Cool.
They eventually phased out the diesel. A little bit easier.
Yeah.
But they moved this here a couple years ago. Yeah, there's your air ride equipped right there. Frozen. But yeah, it's old.
Old biddy.
Yeah. But this road's always been the Strasburg Railroad.
And it looks like this actually rotates. Yeah.
Yeah.
See these giant wheels there.
Your outrigs are right in front of you. Right
Okay.
there.
Oh, okay.
So they'll step out, and then they would you could spin this thing 360 degrees.
Cool. Boy, imagine what this thing would look like all restored and like a whole steampunk type of paint job and stuff. That would be really neat.
A lot of paint.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, the light up there is actually rotted through. It's crazy. I never saw that.
Oh yeah.
Get a horn show. Make sure to leave with this guy.
Yeah. Oh, he is moving. Okay, that was cool. Yeah, that was cool.
Guys, we got a horn show. That was so cool.
Not every day that you get a horn show from
No.
Yeah.
He likes his job.
Maybe he watches the virtual rail fan.
Yeah, you never know.
That's true. He could be, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, not sure if you know this, but there's a YouTube channel out there called Virtual Rail Fan, and I think they have just over 300,000 subscribers, and they have these little poles right here set up all over. It's all over the country, isn't it? They have a live stream going, so you can go to their YouTube channel and just search, you know, whatever town you're in. I've seen them from Kentucky. We did it at out in Altoona at Horseshoe Curve, and it's cool to just sit and kind of have on your computer and watch the trains go by, and they can operate the camera up in the top there and kind of move it to different spots on the railroad. But and it also is equipped with sound, so that for all I know they could be listening to me right now. But at any rate, we got a couple of nice trains. Is there anything else coming?
Well,
I'm sure there's more Amtrak coming, but
not today.
Yeah.
Not that we're gonna catch.
Yeah. So where are we off to now?
Platform.
Okay. Alrighty, so we are getting close to the actual Strasburg Railroad, following Nick here, and looks like they got some trains going, and I think he said that 611 is here. I won't begin to know all the numbers and everything of all the different trains, but apparently this is a really cool locomotive, so yeah. Despite the rain, this has turned out to be a really awesome day. And over to my left here, we got the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania. Not sure if that's open today or not. Really nice little area around here. Well, it's not raining too much, so I did bring the Sony out to keep using this. I want to learn it more and more. And as you see behind me, got Nick and Nikki. And but we are here at the Strasburg Railroad here in Strasburg, Pennsylvania. We're here to check out this beautiful steam locomotive 611 from what's the?
She's from Virginia.
Virginia.
Norfolk Western.
Norfolk Western, that's right. Well, so far so good in the rain. Too bad.
Oh.
If it gets a little bit heavier, I will have to switch back to the Osmo.
Yeah, this isn't too bad. This is tolerable.
When in doubt, just use your phone.
And make a few memories the less along the way. Thank you for joining us today.
Ooh, the diner car.
President's car.
Man, look at those chairs. That's what I'm talking about.
First class. They have lifeboats on that car.
Really?
Just kidding.
Gobbler's knob. Now we're dry. Nick. Nikki. Say hi, Nick. We just came in here. We just purchased tickets for the for a ride on 611. We got the coach car for, I believe it was 12:30, and then so I wasn't expecting to ride a train today, but hey, why not? Yeah, so that should be pretty good. Then I'm going to be heading home after that, but it's not raining anymore. It let up, so we're back to the Sony. I've used actually all three of my cameras, my phone, the Osmo, as well as the Sony. So it really pays to have some backup cameras, especially ones that are waterproof. Like my phone is waterproof, as well as the Osmo. The Sony, not so much. And I just got this, so I really don't want to run the risk of getting it wet and having it malfunction. But at any rate, guys, we've just sat down to get something to eat, and at this really cool, it's Cafe 1832.
There's one juicy burger.
It's a big roast beef there.
Oh yeah. They brought the meat. Tendies.
Chicken tenders, because I'm a little kid.
Nothing wrong with chicken tenders. Yum, yum, and yum. As Samuel L. Jackson would say, that is a tasty burger. After that really good meal in that 1832 cafe right across the way from us, we got to our train. We are sitting in coach. We can open the windows here, so we're getting a really nice breeze through here. So, like I said earlier, despite the weather, this is turning out to be a really awesome day, and I want to thank Nick and Nikki for inviting me out today. But video's not over.
As long as there's no bug on me, I'm happy.
You're welcome, Matt.
You're welcome. You're welcome to come with us anytime.
Yeah, and Nick followed suit and bought the same camera that I just got, the Sony ZV-1.
Cameraception.
Make it can you even do one of these?
Not sure, that was a really weird slow zoom. So there's the cafe we just ate at. Excellent, excellent food. I was pretty surprised. I'll look down the train a little bit here.
I wanted to go on the flight.
So, all right, guys, just to try things out as the train loads up here with all the people, and I switched to the Sennheiser microphone, and I wanted to see how good it sounds using an actual external microphone with this camera, and also to see if there's any vibration noise with this particular microphone, because I know there was a lot when I used this on my camera or on my phone, as well as my action camera. So I'm curious to see how this sounds with this.
All aboard for paradise. All aboard.
So we have filled up pretty quick. We're getting ready to go in about 2 minutes here.
Alright guys, as you heard, we're pulling out of the station pretty soon. It's going to be great. Yeah, you're that traditional all aboard.
Did you hear those train whistles out there? That's the sound of history and the call of heritage. It also means our journey to Paradise, Pennsylvania is about to begin. And rest assured, everyone here is in for something special today. As our welcome guests, all you need to do is sit back, enjoy the view, and make a few memories with us along the way. Thank you for joining us today, and welcome aboard the Strasburg Railroad. regional businesses. But there was a time when you didn't hear our steam whistle at all. By 1957, our rails and equipment were in pretty bad shape. To manage operations was what our story was about to end. Our rescue would come a year later. 24 dedicated railroad buffs decided to put down their own money, time, and labor to save this short line from abandonment. Every nickel of profit was put back into the railroad. Steam railroading has become a specialty here at Strasburg. Our mechanical shop, located to your running right, is nationally recognized for their expertise in steam locomotive repair and restoration. And we're proud to say that it has benefited heritage railroads and museums all over the country.
You'll see me running like a mad woman to get into the